Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can add Spotify playlist to your Notion. At first, head over to Google and search for Indify like so and click on the first link that comes up. After that, you have to sign in with the link or the email with which you have logged into your Notion with. So I'm just gonna do that real quick. And after I'm done, it's going to redirect me to a page like this. So all I'll do is just scroll down until you see something like this button. Just click on create widget and just name this Spotify playlist 1, and then we'll continue. After that, it's going to say generating new. When it's done, you see there's this URL option here. So we'll just head into Spotify real quick, and then we'll just select the playlist and then copy the link. From there, we'll just paste the link over here. After that, you can see it just regenerated, meaning it's right. You can do it dark mode or whatever, and you can customize or maybe select its color to purple or maybe even green. And let's just name this to Spotify and whatever icon you want here, you can choose it. I'm just gonna put a robot over here like so. And then there's a bunch of other options, but this is up to you. Right now, what I'm going to do is just copy the link from here. After that, I'll just come over here and just press somewhere and then type in / and then embed, and then click on this one and then paste that link and then click on embed link. Now you see that link is over here and you can customize it however you want to. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. And until then, take care.